guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing an unboxing of the universal selfie ring light. I got it from Amazon. The ring light with the flexible mobile holder. Y'all know Amazon names are extremely long. I'll try and link it in the description box below. I will also be doing a review. It's really inexpensive. I think it was about $20 for this. This is all that comes with it. So this is what it looks like. I believe this is a phone holder. I guess this is a little USB cable that you can use to turn on the light. The ring light it's not big, it's pretty small. For the most part, it's not bad for $20. And you use this part to clip onto the decks. I believe they said it can go up to 3 inches wide, if 3 inches wide. And it is flexible, so you can adjust it. So guys, this thing did not come with an instruction manual. It comes in 2 colors, black and white. Okay, I figured out how to attach this thing. So you remove the cap of this. Put this on first, and then you just slide this over the little ball and just screw it on. This is what it looks like, and you can flip it, adjust it to whatever angle you want your phone. Now I'd have to attach it to a laptop for the light to come on. The material is thick, it feels very sturdy. I mean, for $20 it's not bad at all. It's flexible, you can put it in whatever direction you want it to go to, and this does open up to about 3 inches. So it can be attached to a deck. It has a Velcro in the inside, so it won't damage the surface of damage your surface. And that's pretty much it. It's not bad for $20, guys. I would recommend it. I will be using this to do some overhead shots. I want my DIY videos, my cooking videos. And if I like it, I will probably upgrade to a better one, but for now let's test it out and see how it works. Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment down below and let me know what new product you're trying for 2020 and how you guys like it so far. Thank you.